Today for science, I'm going to read you two stories. The first story is called Apple Picking Day. It's written by Candace Ransom, illustrated by Erica Mesa. Apple Picking Day. In the morning, we leave town, drive past woods, all gold and brown. Over hilltops, big and small, I see apples. Hello, fall. Tractor takes us to the trees. I spot ladders in the leaves. Run down this road, follow me. Lots of apples on that tree. I pick high, you pick low. In our basket, apples go. Hungry blue jay flaps and hops, jabs a bad one and down it drops. Share an apple. Hey, my turn. Crunch, crunch, munch. Yuck, a worm. See that apple way up there? On my tiptoes, I grab air. I try again, and down come two. One for me and one for you. Boy in that tree makes a face. Quick, pick faster, start a race. Tractor pulls us to the shed. We sort apples green and red. Apple cider, apple pie, apple donuts, hot and fried. Fun day over. We love fall. Yummy apples, best of all. The next book I'm going to read to you is called In the Middle of Fall by Kevin Hinkes and Laura Dronzak. In the middle of fall. Ooh, look at all that. That's kind of cool looking. In the middle of fall, when the leaves have already turned, the sky is mostly gray and the air is chilly. And the squirrels are frisky. And the gardens are brown. And the pumpkins are ready. And the apples are like ornaments. Like ornaments on the tree. It takes just one big gust of wind, and all at once, everything is yellow and red and orange. All over and all around. Right in the middle of fall. But remember, Remember it, because soon the yellow, the red, the orange will be gone. And the sky will change again. And then soon, very soon, the sky will be white and empty. Ready to fill up with snow. Oh, and then look what happens in the winter. Okay, friends. When you get a chance to, and you may not have it yet, and that's okay if you don't, but whenever you get a chance to, in your new packet of materials, in your blue Science and Social Studies folder, you will have a page that looks like this. And it says growing up, and it's all about how the apple grows into a tree. And so you have to follow the directions. The first thing it says to do is color. So you're going to color the pictures. You can color the birds and the squirrel, the apples. You can color all these different parts down here of the apple tree. When you're done coloring, it says the next thing to do is to cut. So you're going to use your scissors, and you can cut this whole bottom piece off. Cut that whole bottom piece off so your paper looks like this. And then you can cut this part into squares. Follow the dotted lines and cut them into squares. So you can see I colored mine, I cut out all my squares, and then the last thing to do, it says glue the picture in order. So we know the first thing that has to happen is we put seeds in the dirt, the apple seeds, and then a little sprout starts to grow, and then eventually the tree starts to get a little bigger, and then when it's big, it makes apples for us in the fall. So this is what you can work on as soon as you get your new materials. Happy fall!